Powerful self-propelled harvesters dig deep beneath the soil using rotating lifting blades. Thick roots rise while cassava roots enter enormous rotary washing drums where 100 pressure water jets. Freshly washed cassava moves rapidly across intelligent sorting conveyors equipped with massive peeling machines. Use precision rotating blades to remove the thick brown outer skin from every cassava root. The white flesh appears instantly beneath the peeling rollers. Powerful stainless steel rotary cutters slice the peeled cassava into perfectly uniform chunks within seconds. Every cut improves drying and starch extraction efficiency. Fresh cassava pieces enter enormous high-speed grating machines, where thousands of razor-sharp teeth shred the root. The wet cassava pulp enters advanced vibrating screening systems, where coarse fibers are separated from. The starch-rich mixture enters powerful hydraulic dewatering presses, where enormous pressure removes excess water within minutes. Thick white starch cakes emerge from the presses.
The most important transformation is about to begin. Wet starch is moments away from becoming ultra-fine.
The dried cassava powder enters massive cyclone separators, where powerful spinning air currents separate ultrafine flour from remaining moisture and dust.
Freshly dried cassava flour travels through enclosed cooling conveyors, where purified air gradually lowers its temperature.
High-speed filling machines accurately dispense premium cassava flour into paper sacks, retail pouches, and industrial bulk. Towering robotic cranes glide silently between endless storage racks, retrieving pallets of Instead of heading directly to stores, large industrial flour bags arrive at a giant food manufacturing plant. Automated systems.
Healthy baking begins with premium raw materials. Quality reaches consumers through delicious food.
Inside a giant snack factory, cassava flour is transformed into crispy crackers, puffed snacks, and flavored.
I think this premium white one is the best option.
Let's get 2 bags.
Wow, look at the bread!
It smells incredible, doesn't it?
Yeah!
Here, try a piece of the pancake.
What began as a hidden root beneath the soil has become one of the world's most valuable food ingredients. Advanced and
the flour enters a climate-controlled stabilization room where temperature and humidity remain perfectly balanced.
bulk flour is loaded directly into food-grade tanker systems supplying giant commercial bakeries. Automated loading arms connect to sealed tanks. Large automated blending machines use cassava flour to produce instant soup mixes, powdered sauces, baby food, and ready-to-cook meal bases.
Gigantic export containers are filled with thousands of premium flour bags using robotic conveyor systems, automated counting.
Every route represents thousands of tons of exported flour. International trade keeps expanding.
The texture and stability are excellent in this batch. The robotic system achieved remarkable consistency. Camera reveals every byproduct finding a valuable purpose. Cassava peels become organic fertilizer. Extracted fibers become livestock feed.
The story now molds beyond manufacturing into the remarkable global impact of cassava flour.
Fine cassava flour is blended into specialty dough before powerful extrusion machines shape elegant, gluten-free pasta. Premium dessert factories use cassava flour to create silky puddings, delicate cake mixes, pastry creams, and gourmet dessert bases. The data confirms the rheology is stable. The cassava flour is performing better than expected. Yes, the texture profile is ideal for the new soup base.
Industrial perfection reaches family kitchens. The factory becomes part of everyday life. The incredible versatility of one simple root becomes clear. One ingredient supports countless industries.
Every step of the journey, from underground root to premium flour, has led to this moment.
The final chapter begins where the entire journey first started.
Dewatering. Cassava peels become organic fertilizer. Fibers become animal feed. Wastewater returns to the recycling.